Hello, my name is C.Horvath. I'm in EDCI 270, and I'm going to be talking to you about my poll / survey that I have done. I created this survey, I don't really remember which day. However, I asked some basic questions, such as, what year are you, what's your major, their basic understanding in current animal agriculture and current animal agriculture issues. Were they involved with FFA or 4-H? Did they judge livestock if they were in FFA or 4-H? Did their high school even have an ag program? And finally, have they ever been on a farm? With my responses, I have found a lot of interesting information. I have found out that most of the people who responded were sophomores. And there's a variety of majors. It wasn't just one or two. It was a lot of different majors. And a lot of people are very uneducated in the ag field. A lot of people, roughly half the people who've responded to my survey, were very poorly aware of current animal agriculture issues. And they were either poorly understanding or somewhat understanding of today's current agriculture, and a lot of them were not involved in FFA or 4-H in high school, and those who were involved in FFA or 4-H in high school didn't really judge. About a third of them did judge the show, and a lot of high schools don't have ag programs, which is, in my opinion, hard to believe. And a lot of people have been on a farm. However, there are those who have not, which really just shocks me. These questions can be very useful in a classroom, because if the teacher wants to get a feel for what their students are understanding, then they can use a poll or a chart. It could also determine with the public how well aware the animal agriculture is being shown, and it could show where teachers need to educate their students. In my current course theme of animal science, it can show where the teacher needs to educate their students in order to educate the public.